I'm going to do a quick overview of creating a new form and the different areas that you would use to create that. You have your fields area where you have your standard information that you collect, name, email, that kind of thing. You also have custom fields area where you can get any additional information that you want, and to add a custom field you would simply click on this button here and it would bring up the different types of custom fields that you can create. And then within the styles area, this is where you set the look and feel of your form, all those different options that you have there. And then in the options area is where you would name your form, where you want them to submit information and that kind of thing. Down here on the bottom is the integrate form, and this is where you will find your embed code as well as the link to the form. And then you also have your saved button. So when you make any changes to your form, you want to click on save. And that is a quick overview of the forms builder and the elements that are involved in creating one.